Have you ever felt that uncomfortable dryness, itching, burning, or pain during intimacy, and wondered, is this just my body now? You're not alone. And it's not just about menopause. Vaginal dryness affects women of all ages. Hormonal shifts from pregnancy, breastfeeding, or birth control can disrupt natural moisture. Even common medications like antihistamines or antidepressants can leave you feeling parched down there. And stress? It silently messes with your hormones, worsening dryness without you even realizing it. Autoimmune conditions like Sjogren's syndrome also play a role. This isn't something you just have to live with. There are real science-backed natural solutions. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful remedies used by thousands of women, without harsh chemicals or side effects. Stick around because number 2 surprised even our medical advisor. Remedy 1. Coconut oil, the moisturizing powerhouse. Organic, unrefined, virgin coconut oil is a game changer. It's rich in lauric acid, which has natural antimicrobial properties. That means it moisturizes and supports healthy vaginal flora. But not all coconut oil is safe. Always choose one labeled virgin and organic. Avoid refined or fragrance versions. They can irritate sensitive tissue. Before using, do a patch test. Apply a tiny amount externally. Wait 24 hours. No redness? You're good to go. At night, warm a small amount between your fingers. Gently apply to the outer vaginal area with clean hands or a cotton pad. Never insert it deep into the vagina unless advised by a doctor. Many women notice softer, more comfortable skin within days. Remedy 2. Hyaluronic acid gel, the hydration hero. Yes, naturally. Here's the surprise. Hyaluronic acid isn't just for your face. Your body makes it naturally. It's a moisture magnet that binds water to tissues. When applied vaginally, it helps restore hydration from the inside out. Look for preservative-free, pH-balanced gels like Reverie or Gynatrof. These are designed specifically for intimate use. No parabens, no fragrances. They're safe for long-term use, even during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Apply a pea-sized amount 2 to 3 times per week before bed. It works gradually, building moisture over time. Clinical studies show improvement in comfort and elasticity within weeks. Remedy 3. Omega-3s feed your moisture from within. Hydration starts from the inside. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and support natural lubrication. Fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, chia seeds, and algae oil are excellent sources. Aim for 1,000 mg of EPA and DHA daily, either through food or a high-quality supplement. Not only can this ease dryness, but it also improves skin health, mood, and joint comfort. Think of it as nourishing your whole body, including your most sensitive areas. Lifestyle tweaks that make a big difference. Your daily habits matter more than you think. Scented soaps, douches, and harsh laundry detergents strip natural moisture. They disrupt your pH and can trigger irritation. Switch to gentle, fragrance-free cleansers. Wear 100% cotton underwear. Choose breathable fabrics like linen or bamboo. And drink up. Aim for 2 liters of water daily. Your tissues need hydration to stay supple. When to see a doctor? Don't ignore these signs. Natural remedies work for many, but not all. If you have persistent pain, bleeding, or a foul odor, see a doctor. No improvement after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent care? That's your cue to get checked. Conditions like vaginal atrophy or lichen sclerosis need medical attention. Your health matters. When in doubt, consult a professional. Real women, real results. What our community says: coconut oil helped me after breastfeeding. No more nightly discomfort. Hyaluronic gel gave me relief in just 2 weeks. I can't believe how much it helped. Omega-3s didn't just help downstairs, my skin glowed too. These aren't miracles. They're real changes from real women taking control. Your 7-day natural moisture reset plan ready to start? Here's your simple plan. Day 1. Swap scented products for gentle, unscented ones. Day 3. Begin nightly coconut oil application. Day 5. Add an omega-3 supplement to your routine. Day 7. Track your symptoms in a journal. Note any changes. Small steps, big results. Bonus. Doe Soothing Sitz Bath Recipe for instant relief. Try a warm sitz bath. Mix 1 cup Epsom salt and half a cup raw apple cider vinegar in a few inches of warm water. Sit and soak for 15 minutes 2 to 3 times a week. This soothes irritated tissue and supports healing. But avoid it if you have open sores or an active infection. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. We release weekly women's health guides because you deserve to feel your best. Drop a droplet in the comments if you're trying one of these remedies. And download our free natural vaginal health tracker in the description to monitor your progress. To get more videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Your contribution will help us to grow.